Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Christopher Vogelmann. I'm a practicing chiropractor here in Rockville, Maryland, with offices in Alexandria, Virginia. Today I'd like to speak to you a little bit on the topic of sciatica. Now, many of us out there have had sciatica from time to time, and it's a very painful, debilitating type of set of symptoms. Chiropractic has had a great deal of success with sciatica. In fact, in my 22 plus years of practice, I've had a great many successes in this area. I've been able to treat over 8,500 patients in the Washington, D.C. area, and many of them have had sciatica as their major symptom. Now, sciatica can be caused by a number of different conditions. Typically, the major cause of sciatica is pressure or pinching of the nerves in the lower back, the spinal nerves. And it's very similar to, the spinal nerve is similar to my finger. Let's say that I have my finger with normal circulation, but instead I use this rubber band symbolizing the misalignments that can occur putting pressure or pinching a nerve. And as you can see, my finger starts to turn a lovely shade of purple or blue, and it's getting a little painful right now. So just as I would remove the pressure from spinal nerves by gently adjusting the spine, the individual vertebrae, as I pull the rubber band off, normal circulation is restored to my finger. And in like manner, normal nerve energy begins to flow from the lower back down into the leg. Sciatica can be caused by a number of different conditions, as we said before. Perhaps trauma is one of the things that has affected you. And in that trauma, there can be, perhaps you've fallen off of a ladder a long time ago, or you've had a car accident, or you've had abnormal posture for a long period of time in which you're leaning forward, putting extra pressure on the nerves, and perhaps putting a little pressure on the disc, which becomes inflamed and causes that sciatic nerve to go into red alarm, red alert, and you wind up with, as some of my patients call it, literally a pain in the rear. Well, it's very disturbing to have weakness occur within your leg and to have that abnormal pins and needles or numbness sensation going all the way down the leg. One of the things that also can be assistant in sciatica is looking at posture, because posture can often be one of the things that causes us to have problems. Simply doing repetitive tasks, for example, gardening, lifting bags of mulch in and out of the car, or grocery bags, or something like that, can sometimes contribute to sciatica. I've had patients over the year who tell me, "Doc, I was bent over at the sink brushing my teeth and suddenly my back went out and I had pain down the leg." Well, you know that dental hygiene is not the cause of this person's problem, but it can be a lot of little things that over several decades can eventually lead to, literally, the straw that broke the camel's back. Well, let me tell you a little bit about my approach to chiropractic. I'm probably one of the only chiropractors you'll ever meet who has a Harvard degree. In addition to that, what makes me unique in this area is that I have extensive training in health coaching, nutrition, radiology, orthopedics, and neurology. And I pride myself on keeping up with the latest technologies and trends, as well as being able to help my patients with advice on nutrition, exercise, and really what to do outside of the office to reduce or eliminate those pains with regard to sciatica. In fact, with sciatica, using 7 simple tests, I can quickly find out what's wrong with you, what's causing your problem, and which will lead us to some simple solutions with effective results. So if this is something that interests you, let me tell you that we keep our fees very, very simple. I charge $50 for the initial consultation examination, and we work with most of the insurances within the area. So if you'd like to contact me for further information, or want to drop me a line, or perhaps even visit and make some comments, please feel free to do so. You can call me at the Rockville office at area code 301-881-1110. Once again, that's 301-881-1110. Or you can reach me in Alexandria at 703-619-1002. We have a very friendly and professional staff who will welcome you with open arms. You can also reach me on the web at drvogelmann.com. That's drvogelmann.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.